Good morning, sir.
Morning.
This is something urgent.
Oh,
Our client got some notice regarding of court. This is 107 section of BNSS. I go through CRPC, but I can't find anything.
why CRPC? What is the full form of CRPC?
Civil Procedure Code.
No, it's Code of Criminal Procedure and explains the procedure for arresting, prosecution, and bail.
Okay, sir. What does BNSS mean?
BNSS means Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, and it's a replacement of CRPC. You know when it came into picture, the CRPC?
Sir, it's 1st April 1974.
Very good. And BNSS came into effect from 1st of July 2024. So this FIR was registered in March 2024. What applies?
CRPC.
Very good. And this FIR was registered in October 2024. What applies?
BNSS.
Very good.
How many sections does BNSS have, sir?
So BNSS has 533 sections. It has 160 changes to the old law and 9 new sections were added. And one of the 9 new sections is section 107, which is related to attachment, forfeiture, and restoration of property.
Do we have forfeiture of property in CRPC or else it is a new concept?
It is a new section in BNSS. Previously, immovable properties of the accused used to be attached under Criminal Law Amendment Ordinance of 1944 or under the Protection of Depositors Act 1999.
Does forfeiture mean seizure of property?
No, they are similar but not the same. Forfeiting means loss of ownership, whereas seizure means to seize the property. For example, this phone, if the police believes that it is involved in a crime or it was stolen, then the police has the power to seize the property.
Okay.
And it comes under section 102 of CRPC, and the new section is section 106 of BNSS, and the section 107 of BNSS is related to forfeiting of property.
Why does the court want to attach the property, sir?
So our client bought an expensive villa
Okay.
by doing cybercrime and cheating multiple innocent victims. So the court wants the accused to come before the court and also to deprive the benefits that he has got. He's enjoying the villa, right?
Okay.
So the court wants to sell off the property, make money, and give it back to all the innocent victims so that he doesn't repeat the crime again.
What is the procedure followed by the investigation officer?
So the investigation officer has to investigate whether the property derived is directly or indirectly related to the crime. And he also has to seek approval from the Superintendent of Police or the Commissioner of Police and write an application to the concerned court or the magistrate. And to justify his request, he has to add all the required documents.
When will the court issue notice to the accused?
So the court will issue notice, the show cause notice to the accused, if it believes and it is satisfied that the property is derived from an illegal means. And also it gives show cause notice asking why an order of attachment should not be made.
What is show cause notice? What is the time required to reply for the notice?
So show cause notice is asking the accused why disciplinary action should not be taken against him, and the time period is 14 days. Within 14 days he has to reply.
What happens if the accused does not reply for the notice within 14 days?
So the court will issue an ex parte order and the accused will become an ex parte. He will lose his legal rights to fight the case.
Why did the tenant receive notice from the court?
Because the tenant is holding the property of the owner. So both of them will receive the notice.
What is the next step of the court if it is proved that attached property is from proceeds of crime?
Yeah. So the investigation officer will request the court to direct the district magistrate to distribute the proceeds of the crime, that is the money that was gained through illegal means, among the victims of the crime.
How much time does the district magistrate have to distribute the proceeds of crime?
So he has 60 days from the date of judgment passed by the court.
What if there are no such claimants?
So if there are no claimants, the proceeds of the crime go to the government.
Sir, can you suggest any citations related to this case?
Yes, there are some citations. Let's check on SCC online. Let's search for section 107 of BNSS. Yeah, we found one. Criminal petition 5893 of 2024 in the High Court of Delhi, Rajesh Sachdeva versus NCT of Delhi and others.
Sir, what reply we are going to give for the show cause notice?
So call the client to our office, and our office stands for justice. If he has done any crime, we are going to return the professional fees and he has to pay penalty for his wrongdoings.
Thanks for clearing my doubt, sir.
Yeah. I hope you got some clarity on section 107 of BNSS. We are team number 9. This is
Keith Sumit.
And this is Kevin Krishna from Padal Ram Reddy Law College.
Our topic is 107 section of BNSS.
It is related to attachment, forfeiture, and restoration of property.